If you're wondering how you can use Spotify on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now you cannot directly use Spotify on your Galaxy Fit 3, but you can control Spotify on your Android phone using your Galaxy Fit 3. Now for that, first of all, just make sure that your Galaxy Fit 3 is paired with your Android phone. After you do that, then on your Android phone, just open Spotify, and from here you can play any music. For example, I will play this music. Now after you have opened Spotify on your Android phone, now on your Galaxy Fit 3, just swipe up and open the app drawer and tap on Media Controller. And from here you can control Spotify or the media which is playing on your smartphone. For an example, you can play or pause the music on your phone, and also you can rewind the music as you like. You can change the albums, and also you can increase or decrease the volume of the music which is playing, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.